how to change mouse pointer size on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. To change your mouse pointer size, you'll need to go to your settings, and then on the left hand side, you'll see Bluetooth and devices under system. Tap on it, and then there you'll see devices option. So scroll down and you'll find mouse, tap on it, and then scroll down, and under related settings you'll find mouse pointer and touch. Tap on it, and there you can see the size option, and there is a slider. So if you want to increase the size, you can just keep on increasing, and you can see that the pointer size is increasing as I drag the slider. And you can even change the pointer style according to your wish. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.